In this episode, we are gonna make the LED badge that some of you guys, actually a lot of you guys, have expressed interest in it. And you guys asked me, where did I get it from? How did I make it? All of that stuff is gonna be in this video, so let's get right to it.
All right, so here it is. This is the LED badge right here. Now, first off, you might be thinking, what grill is that? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is not a OEM grill for the coupe. This is a coupe, let me show you guys. That is a coupe, but this grill is actually for a 350 GT Skyline. That's right, the Infiniti G35 van is a Skyline. What I did was, I took off the Nissan badge right here, because it doesn't have an Infiniti badge. I took the Nissan badge off, and I cut it off like the face of it. So the inside looks like this. Wire is clearly visible, but it's under there. It's not gonna come up or something. And it's tucked under there. Goes under here. As you can see, it's sticking out a little bit. It's still not permanent, but I have some tape under here that goes here. This is the ground, and the power goes into that bundle right there. So you can see the tape, but yeah, it's under there. I use this tape right here, which is supposed to be for the chassis. After I did that, I bought this LED right here. Now the size of this is 130 millimeter. That's the one that I got. That's the closest one to the OEM that was sold on the website. And what I did was I grabbed some JBL, a plastic bond, and I glued it to the OEM bracket so it would go in like if it was OEM. I got this emblem from this website, and it cost, now the JDM Grill, I bought it from this website, and it cost, so that is it. That's how I made the LED Nissan badge, and that's how I made it work, because I wanted to look. I'm sure you could get it from other places, but I got it from that site specifically. For those of you who are asking where and how did I make it, there you go, this is for you. I am not sponsored by that website or those people, so if you could drop a like on this video for awesome information, I would greatly appreciate it. Until I think guys, God bless. Separate up. Peace.